Hi, it's Jacqui, and I'm here today at Shoes of Hollywood. I'm surrounded by all these beautiful heels. And today I've picked out a pair of turquoise heels to have a look at. So let's get them out of the box.
Oh, these are such a gorgeous colour, aren't they?
Yeah.
So these are the Adore 709 MMRS. This is the turquoise colour, and it's a turquoise chrome base with a turquoise holographic upper. See how it changes colour when you move them, and they've also got tiny rhinestones in between, so it gives like a scale effect. Now the Adore are a 7-inch heel with a 2 3/4 inch platform at the front. They've got little chrome buckles that fasten the ankle strap. I just love the colour of these, it's so pretty. They do come in another colour, and that is a silver chrome with a silver holographic upper. On the base of the shoe is black rubber, and it's got really good tread, so you won't be slipping over in these.
So there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching.